Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically, and today is New Year's Eve and I'm going to finish up this year by celebrating Pantone's color of the year for 2020 is blue. Blue is my favorite color. The color is classic blue, but I love all variations and hues of blue. So I'm going to create a look today celebrating the color blue. Of course, I will be using only vegan and cruelty-free products to create this look. So go ahead and grab some sparkling wine, some champagne, some sparkling cider, some pretzels and chips. Relax and enjoy this tribute to the color blue. Pantone announced that its 2020 color of the year is classic blue, a shade reminiscent of the sky at dusk. It's a color that anticipates what's going to happen next, said Lori Pressman, the vice president of the Pantone Color Institute, which selects the color of the year. Pantone has named a color of the year for more than 2 decades. In 1963, the company created the Pantone Matching System, a proprietary system used in a variety of industries, such as printing, graphic design, and fashion design to manage colors. So what do you guys think of my blue flame look that I've created today? My final look, I guess, of 2019. I'm really pleased with it. I'm gonna finish off with some extreme highlighting to complement this look. I'm gonna tap into this Wet n Wild MagaGlo highlighting palette. This is a blue highlighter right in the corner. Let's see what happens when I turn down the lights. You definitely get to see the highlight coming through strong for 2020. Now, as we leave this decade, I have just started this YouTube channel a year ago, and I am so pleased with the progress. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. I'm shocked that anyone watches, let alone shares. So thank you so much for that. It really means a lot to me that I've found some like-minded people out here in this YouTube world who enjoy watching my videos and interacting with me in the comment section. It really does touch my heart in a way that I never thought I could experience. I want to wish you and your family a very happy new year. Cheers to the continued growth of veganism globally. Cheers to compassion, and cheers to you. And we'll see you in the next video. We'll see you in the next year, 2020, in the new decade. Bye. You guys, I forgot to mention that the Makeup of Murder neon pigments are black light reflective, and incidentally, so is the NYX matte liquid liner. But check this out. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. 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 And that's all the fireworks I need this year. Okay, guys, have a safe one, and we'll see you next year. Bye. You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.